Morning all. It's finally sunny after like 22 years of winter. That's what it seemed like. Do you remember that waterfall it took me forever to find a couple of years ago? I got really lost. I went the long way around. But I eventually found it. So I thought I'd go back there after all these years. It's still cold, mind. It's like 8 degrees, but at least it's sunny. So what I want to do, I want to go back there. But this time I want to go to the top of the waterfall. As always, I'm a man of danger. So you will see. It's over there. I'm going to show you the waterfall. Oh shit. I'm going to show you the waterfall first. Just to see where I was last time. And then I'm going to try and go up there, I think I've come the wrong way, to be honest with you. This is a brilliant start already, I gotta say. There's no track here. Holy shit. I'm sinking already. That's the waterfall where I went last time. It's far away. So this is the route I went last time. It's dangerous as shit. I'm not going to do that again. I had to go down there, travel all the way up there, if you can see it, right up to the waterfall there. I'm not going to do that today, at least I hope not. Where I need to be up there. So I'm going to have to go back up there, around, and try and find a way to the top there. What's that? Never seen that before. What is that stone structure there? Is it aliens? Is it old farm things for the sheep? I don't know. Where is that? But I'm not going to go there today. It's too far away. So I'm going to go back up slightly and try and make my way that way. Hopefully. I was going to go down there and climb up there to go across there. I'm knackered already. That ain't happening. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up there, across that road, and if I come to there, no idea if you can see it, across the tree line to there. We'll see. I'm at a bit of a crossroads in life here. I'm not sure if it's that tree line or if I need to go down there. I actually don't know. I can't look at my phone up here because it gets no signal, man. I think it's through that tree line. But if it's not, and it's that one, I'm buggered. I've wasted that journey now, haven't I? That just goes to the wind farm. I'm going to go through there. Now every time I look at these things, right, I think it doesn't look that bad. But then when I actually get into them, I think, oh shit, what have I done? I think that's going to be one of these situations. The what have I done situation. But bugger it, I'm going for it. What have I done? I'm going to try and get through this shit. I can hear water, but I don't think that's the waterfall. I think that's the stream going towards the waterfall. I gotta get through this shit. Oh god. Ow. Ow. Oh. Yeah. Fuck, I'm stuck. There's gotta be a better way, I'm tangled. I think this might be a bad idea. I'm going to find that water, surely I can follow that. Okay, it's a little stream. Does that run down to the waterfall maybe? It's possible. Or I could just sit here. Just look at the trees, I don't know. Come back! I'm going to try and follow the bloody water. It's bound to end up downhill somewhere, isn't it? Ow! Fuck! From me. This is a bad idea. There's no way I'm getting through there. Now once again I'm one with the elements. Months, not months. Once again, there's no lizard people around. I call them out every time. Nothing. Well, there's a clearing, but the mossy mounds, these, are up to my bloody ankles. I still don't, no idea if I'm going the right way. Thing is, I don't hear a waterfall. That's the problem. Do I go that way? Oh, actually, I should go that way, thinking about it. Because from where I was over earlier on, I could see the banking leading up to the tree line. Adventures with Mr. Gray. Failed adventures, usually. Until it's not, let's be honest. I'm not hearing any water now. So I have not a clue. Nothing. I can hear it over there. I don't know. Oh hey, didn't see you over there. I'm on the wrong part. I should be over there, not here. I went down the wrong way. At least I think I did. I'm pretty sure that there is not the waterfall. I think the waterfall is up that way. I think maybe, I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna go check it out. It might be, I don't know, but I don't think it is. I think that's the other small stream running down to it. And if I go down there, it's gonna be hard getting work to get back. It's cool though. Oh bloody hell, man. Someone must have been up here at some point, because there's a stone monument by the looks of it. I'm not being funny. It's going to be a nightmare getting back up there. You can't see how steep that is. It's bloody steep. But anyway. What's this? I mean, it's nice and all, but I don't think this is the part I wanted. At least I don't think it is. I don't know. It could be. Oh shit. It's a waterfall, but I don't think it's the waterfall. At least I don't think it is. I'm saying I might be, I don't know. Let's see if I recognise any of the stones I stood on. Oh shit! Oh, okay. Okay. I lost half my leg down a hole then. Alright, I'm gonna go up there. This is rough. I can't get too close because the edges could be hidden just by brush and no rock. Oh fuck that. I don't know. I genuinely don't know if it is. I must admit it's slightly dangerous being bigger. Just a bit. Oh god. I don't think that's the same waterfall. I'm pretty sure it's not. It's still cool, but it's not the same one I was after. At least I don't think it is. See, I was right. I should have been up that tree line. Oh god. I'm going to try and head back now. I'm really not looking. I've been sitting by here for like 10 minutes just contemplating the walk I got back, because it's a bloody long way. And it's all uphill in rugged terrain. Oh god damn, sorry. And I must admit, it's a bit dangerous here. I must admit. But don't forget, I'm a man of danger. There's that plane again. You haven't come to get me, look. Bastard. Bye bye, Waterfall. Once again, I have conquered another wonder of the world. And still no lizard people. Anyway, I'm going. My legs have done some pumping today. It's gone Christmas. That was hard work. Oh shit. I think it was worth it though. Wasn't the waterfall I was after. But it'll have to do. That's the kind of stuff I've had to contend with by getting back. I've gone a different way. So I'm going to sign off. I didn't get to the waterfall I wanted to get to, but at least I saw something cool. I'm not sure I'm going to make it the rest of the day. We'll see. But I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like. I can't speak. Leave a like if you like this video. Or whatever you want to do. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now. guys.